So you've had questions about what the playback-based CPM is when you are looking at the big numbers for your individual videos. And so I'm going to show you today exactly what that is and how to achieve. So this is the cost that advertisers are spending per 1,000 playback ad views on your specific video. So if they had an ad on your video 1,000 times, this is what they are paying. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to jump into one of my favorite tools here, which is WriterZen. The reason that I like this is that it actually pulls data from Google. So if you're not running Google ads, you don't have access to Google Planner data. But this one here is actually integrated with Google Planner data. So if you're not paying $99 for a ref, you actually get data specifically straight from Google. So we can come up here, we do Keyword Planner, we do Keyword Explorer, and then we search for whatever we are searching for. So right here, we're searching for insurance. Now you can search for whatever keyword, main root keyword in the niche that you are targeting. And then what you do is you come over here to CC, cost per click that advertisers are paying to Google. Now, what you got to look at is the price here. So right here, all state layoffs, $194 cost per click. And YouTube is paying you 55%, right? So you're almost getting paid $100 per click. So if you had 1,000 views and you're getting paid $100 per click, that's $100,000, right? So that's where you can get to see where you're getting $200, $300, $500, $1,000 PM from advertisers advertising on your videos. So basically you come in here and you just sort whatever your root keyword is by the CPC, with the highest being first. And then you can come in here and you can find content that you want to create videos on for that specific keyword. And then you want to see what the competition is, right? So this one actually has a golden filter also, where what it will do is it will look at the search volume for the particular keyword. And then it will say if it's low or hard competition to see how easy it is for you to rank on Google and YouTube so that you can better target those high PM or RPM, rate per million, or what you're getting paid for 1,000 views average, so you can get a higher CPM or RPM. So you find the highest search volume keyword that pays the highest amount, that is the lowest competition, and you will make more money. So I like to use this. You can also use Ahrefs. You can also use Google Keyword Planner if you're running ads. But this here is actually tied in specifically to Google Keyword Planner data. And so we can find exactly what the volume is and what advertisers are paying. And then remember, YouTube is paying 55% of whatever it takes in, right? 55% of a big number is a big number. So a little quick cheat sheet on overall niches. Affiliate marketing pays between $12 and $22 average for the CPM. Now, like I said, you can go ahead and target specific keywords inside that niche that pay higher, but the average for affiliate marketing is between $12 and $22 CPM. The trading, investing, and crypto niches are between $8 and $19 CPM. Drop shipping and print on demand is between $7 and $15. Content creation, blogging, podcasting is between $5 and $13. Personal finance is between $4 and $12. So those are the top 5 niches. And then other notable niches are VPN content, Amazon affiliate content, which is like a sub niche of affiliate marketing, website hosting, tech reviews, web development, insurance, website flipping, software reviews, business advice, career advice, and online deals. So those are some excellent niches to get into, to do keyword research and niche down to more specific things inside that niche, to be able to find higher paying PM keywords that people are paying higher for. So you get inside that specific niche on content you want to create, and then find the keywords that pay the most and make content on that to make your pocketbooks bigger. Remember, stick to one niche and make sure that you create content in one niche so you can stay relevant with your viewers, so that they keep coming back to consume more content to make more money for you. Don't do 5 different niches on one channel because you will burn subscribers and you will make less money. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, smack that thumbs up. If you don't like making money and learning good stuff, smack that thumbs down and tell me down below what your CM is or your RPM on the niche channel you are building. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.